Hi guys, Bea here. I'm so excited about this video because I've got really great news to share with you. Before we start, you should know that you can subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button that's right below this video, and also you can ring the bell that's right next to it to get notified whenever a video is out so you won't miss any. The good news is that we've launched an affiliate program for Themes Generator. In the past, I've been asked several times in this channel if there was any affiliate program that they could join, and after a lot of thinking and also a lot of people asking us to do this, then we've decided to finally launch our affiliate program. What does this mean? Like other affiliate programs, you'll earn a commission by selling a product, in this case by selling Themes Generator. Basically, it's driving your traffic into big commissions. There's a link inside the description below this video with all the information and how to join this affiliate program. We're offering a 20% commission. Top sellers will definitely get more commissions. This is the affiliate dashboard where you will find everything that you need. You'll find all the stats and the links to promote Themes Generator. Once your application has been approved and you start promoting this subscription with your link, then you'll see all the stats in this dashboard. Remember, this affiliate program has a 30-day long cookie duration. This means that whenever a user clicks on your link, if that person purchases Themes Generator subscription in the following 30 days, then you'll get the commission. This is a test affiliate account that I've created for this video. That's why you see these numbers over here. So you'll see all your earnings. I'm going to click here in the commissions tab. Well, you'll find all the commissions. So I'm going to click back to the main dashboard. And same thing, if you want to see all the clicks, you can track them here. Same thing with the payments, that you can generate the link. That's probably the first step you will do once you get here. You'll get an affiliate ID, and as you see, your link will look something like this one over here. Then guys, if you want to earn a passive income, then you should join the program. If you like this video, remember to give me the thumbs up, comment it, and also don't forget to subscribe. You can also ring the bell next to it so you will get notified whenever a video is out. Remember, you can find the link with all the information inside the description. See you next video.